This file extension has two primary types. Is this a Symbian phone skin or a Windows Media Player skin? Both use SKN. They are zip files in disguise. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify the device. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like SKN. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. SKN files are 3D champion skin model files used by League of Legends, the popular multiplayer online game by Riot Games. They contain polygonal mesh geometry, with vertex positions, normals, UV texture coordinates, and material assignments that define the visual appearance of champion character models and their alternate skins. League of Legends SKN files use a proprietary binary mesh format, storing index triangle mesh data with vertex attributes, including position, normal, and UV coordinates. The format includes submesh definitions with material name references for multi-material character models and has evolved through several version revisions. To ensure best performance with SKN, always start with League of Legends from Riot Games. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows cannot decode level, map, or asset data, so compatible tools must be used. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the SKN file and select Open With. Try League of Legends as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. If the SKN file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the SKN format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing the system error. First, viewing with skin viewers. Download a League of Legends model viewer, such as LOL Today, or Creator Suite to open and preview. SKN files with their associated SKL skeleton and DDS texture files. These community tools render the champion model with proper texturing and allow you to inspect the mesh from all angles. Next, extracting from game files. Use Obsidian and open-source League of Legends asset extractor to browse and extract SKN files from the game's WAD archive packages. Navigate to the champion's data directory, locate the SKN mesh file along with its SKL and DDS companions, and extract them for viewing or conversion. Finally, converting for 3D software. Use LOL Today or other community conversion tools to export SKN mesh data to Collada de OBJ or FBX format for use in Blender Maya or other 3D applications. Import the converted model for fan art animation projects or 3D printing after adjusting scale and material assignments in your target application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.